When we think of our solar system, we imagine beauty, planets, moons, stars. But the truth is, our solar system is one of the most violent, unpredictable, and terrifying places imaginable. And the scary part, all of this horror exists right next to us. Earth is the safe house, the warm bubble, the peaceful island in a cosmic ocean. That is trying very hard to kill anything that isn't protected by an atmosphere. So today, we're taking a journey through the 7 most dangerous, horrifying, and nightmare-worthy places in the solar system. Not science fiction, not imagination. Real places. Places we could visit, but should never, ever try to. And the deeper we go, the more you'll realize how insanely lucky we are to be living on Earth. Let's begin. You're not ready for number 1. And number 7 is Venus, the planet where everything dies. From far away, Venus looks peaceful, a glowing yellow world. But this is a trap, a deadly one. Venus is the closest thing to hell that humans can imagine. Temperatures. The surface is around 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead, tin, zinc, even some rocks. You could cook a pizza here in under a second. Atmosphere. The air is mostly carbon dioxide, thick, toxic, suffocating. And the clouds. Sulfuric acid. Imagine rain that burns through metal. Pressure. Standing on Venus is like having 100 tons of weight crushing your entire body. The pressure is 92 times Earth's. Your lungs wouldn't collapse, they would implode instantly. Lightning and winds. Winds in the upper atmosphere reach 360 km/h, carrying electrified particles that generate enormous lightning storms. It's like standing inside a raging volcano forever. NASA has landed probes here. Most survived less than 2 hours. One lasted just 23 minutes. The planet basically eats machines. But the creepiest part? Venus may once have been like Earth, with oceans and maybe early life. Something went horribly wrong. Venus is not just a hell planet, it's a warning. Now we head to Jupiter's moon Io, a world so chaotic that its entire surface is constantly being torn apart. Io is the most volcanically active object in the entire solar system. Volcanoes everywhere. Io has over 400 active volcanoes, some blasting lava 300 kilometers into space. That's higher than the ISS. There is no safe zone on Io. The whole moon is a danger zone. Why so chaotic? Jupiter's gravity stretches Io so violently that the inside of the moon heats up. Like a microwave turned to maximum power. The entire world is boiling from the inside. Radiation. But even if the volcanoes don't kill you, the radiation will. Jupiter blasts Io with so much radiation that a human would be dead in minutes. Now comes Titan. Titan is eerie because it feels familiar, but also deeply, deeply wrong. Titan has lakes, rivers, clouds, rain, just like Earth. But none of it is water. Its rivers are made of liquid methane and liquid ethane, basically extremely cold rocket fuel. Throw a rock into a lake here, and it will splash like water, but the water is deadly. Titan's temperature is 179 degrees Celsius. Expose your hand, and it would freeze so fast. Your cells would crack like glass. The creepiest part. The sunlight is dim. The sky is permanently orange and hazy. No shadows, no direct light. Just a constant eerie twilight. Hidden alien ocean. Beneath Titan's crust may be another ocean, a real water ocean, and where there's water, life may exist. Titan is Earth's strange twin, familiar yet alien, comforting yet terrifying. Europa, the ocean of endless darkness. Europa is one of the most mysterious worlds ever discovered. It looks like a frozen marble, but beneath that ice lies a massive ocean. An ocean deeper than all Earth's oceans combined. A hidden alien ocean. Imagine standing on Europa. Beneath your feet, 100 kilometers of rock-solid ice. Below that, a pitch-black ocean. That has never seen sunlight. In billions of years, we don't know what's in that ocean. And that is terrifying. Could something be alive? On Earth, life thrives around deep sea vents. Europa might have the same vents, creating heat, minerals, and nutrients. Meaning life could exist. Not intelligent beings, but entire ecosystems of alien sea creatures, evolving in total darkness. Imagine something huge swimming past you in pitch-black water, and you never see it, only feel it. Europa is beautiful and horrifying. Mars, beautiful but deadly. Mars looks quiet, peaceful, almost inviting. But Mars is extremely dangerous. The air is too thin. Mars's atmosphere is only 1% as thick as Earth's. If you step outside without a suit, your blood begins to boil. Not from heat, but from lack of pressure. Worldwide dust storms. Every few years, Mars unleashes dust storms. That can cover the entire planet. The sky goes dark, the sun disappears, temperatures drop, and the storms last for months. Terrifying silence. Mars is silent. Your breathing, your heart, your footsteps, those would be the only sounds you ever hear. No wind noise, no birds, no life, nothing. Mars looks alive, but it is a planet-sized graveyard. Jupiter's radiation belt, the invisible killer. Now we approach Jupiter itself. Not the planet, but the space around it. Jupiter's radiation belt, one of the deadliest places in the solar system. Instant death. The radiation here is unbelievably intense. A human would die in seconds. Even robots get fried. Electronics glitch, melt, or fail instantly. It's like standing inside a giant microwave oven that never turns off. Even NASA avoids it. Spacecraft must fly special paths just to avoid being destroyed. Jupiter's radiation is invisible, but lethal. No warning, no sensation, just sudden death. Finally, the #1 scariest place in the solar system, the Sun. A nuclear explosion that never ends. Every second, the Sun releases more energy than all nuclear bombs ever built, exploding at once. A surface that isn't a surface. What looks like a surface is actually a boiling ocean of plasma. At 5,500 degrees Celsius, go deeper, and temperatures reach 15 million degrees. Atoms fuse here, powering the entire solar system. Solar flares. The Sun constantly fires out massive eruptions, solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Some are powerful enough to knock out Earth's power grids and cripple modern civilization. We exist only because we are far enough away. To avoid being obliterated, the Sun gives life. But it is also the biggest natural threat we will ever face. These were the 7 scary beautiful, but it is also terrifying. And Earth is a miracle. If you enjoyed this journey, hit like, subscribe, and comment which place scared you the most. Thanks for watching. And remember, the universe is big, and we've only seen a tiny fraction of its nightmares.